Anywhere you go, anywhere you go, give it all.
Today we bring you cycling on the Han River, Seoul, South Korea. Let's go!
Welcome to a fun couple. We're Hammer, Guillaume, we love traveling, we love the adventure. This is our new vlog. Yee-hoo! Beautiful blue sky. We are on bicycles. We just rented the bike from Bike Sharing Seoul. It's an app that was launched maybe 1 or 2 years ago, and very easy to rent a bike, very cheap. Hello, so today is a bicycle day. We're renting out Seoul Bike and beautiful weather. We're gonna ride all the way to the Han River. It's gonna take us about an hour, right? We have a nice coffee, so we'll take some videos to show you guys how it works. And right now we've just got our bike. It's unlocked, ready to go. So let's go! Just waiting for a ride for 1 hour now.
Yeah.
And we found it more than 1 hour.
Yeah, 1 hour, 20 minutes.
It was really nice along the Han River.
Super nice weather. What day?
Now we stop at Lunch Cafe. It's a vegan cafe, and just order some very nice dishes.
Vegan food.
Vegan food. Yeah, we're gonna continue riding. Just have a break now, and the weather is just perfect. Full day of riding. Yeah, stay tuned. So we just finished our lunch. We get back to a bike and continue.
Look at the beautiful sunset.
Wow, we made it to the Han River. It's so nice. Sunset is here. We love sunset. And the weather was so nice today. So I hope you enjoyed the episode 4 of A Fun Couple. We had such a good time and full adventures. Be sure to subscribe somewhere here or there. I don't know, there should be a bell ringing soon. We also have a blog, so follow our new blog. We post at least once a week, if not more. And of course, IG, Instagram, _fun_couple. This is our social media.
Yeah. Follow us.
I hope you enjoy, guys. See ya.
See ya.